You forget tasks, not because you're careless, because your work depends on memory. This video shows a simple system that removes that. Follow-ups. Small things. Things you meant to do later. They don't feel urgent in the moment, so you move on. Then they disappear. The problem is not memory, it's that your work depends on memory. Tasks show up in different places. Email, messages, conversations, your head. Nothing captures them in a reliable way, so you try to remember, and that always breaks. The goal is not to remember better. The goal is to stop relying on memory. You do that with a simple system. Capture to list to reminder. Step 1. Capture everything in one place. Right now, tasks are scattered. Some are in your inbox, some are in chat, some are just thoughts. You need one place where all tasks go. It can be a notes app, a task list, a simple document. The tool does not matter. The rule matters. If it's a task, it goes into the list. Immediately, not later. This removes the need to remember. Step 2. Turn follow-ups into tasks the moment you send something. Most forgotten work comes from follow-ups. You send something, you expect a reply, nothing happens. Then you forget. Instead, every time you send something that needs a response, create a task at the same time. Examples. Follow up with client. Check if invoice was paid. Wait for reply from supplier. A simple rule helps. If it needs a response, it gets a follow-up task. You don't wait to see if they respond. You assume you will need to follow up. This makes follow-ups visible. Step 3. Add one simple when to every follow-up. A task without a when is easy to ignore. You don't need a perfect schedule. You just need the task to show up again. Use simple options. Later today, tomorrow, in 2 days. If you want one default rule, use this. Most follow-ups, 2 business days. Now the task has a time, so it can't disappear. Step 4. Review once per day. Without a system, you check tasks randomly. That creates inconsistency. Instead, define one moment, usually at the start of the day. You go through the list and decide what needs attention today, what can wait, what can be removed. Outside of that moment, you don't reorganize. You only execute. This keeps the system stable. Step 5. Stop using your inbox as your reminder system. Most follow-ups get lost in email threads. You send something, then it disappears. Instead of relying on your inbox to remind you, rely on your task list. Once you send something, you create the follow-up task. Then you stop thinking about it. The system will bring it back. What changes after you implement it? Now compare before and after. Before. Tasks appear everywhere. You try to remember them. Follow-ups depend on noticing something again. Things get missed. After. All tasks go into one place. Follow-ups are created immediately. Each follow-up has a simple when. You review once per day. Nothing depends on memory. This changes how work feels. You don't have to keep things in your head. You don't have to check constantly. You don't have to worry about forgetting. Tasks don't disappear. They move through a simple system. Quick recap. Step 1. One place for tasks. Step 2. Create follow-up tasks immediately. Step 3. Add a simple when. Step 4. Review once per day. Step 5. Don't use your inbox as your reminder system. Most people try to remember better. A simple system works better because it removes the need to remember in the first place.